See my viewers. You see now just I give them food. Now they're coming. Very good. I'm very happy when they're eating. When I can give them food, I'm very happy. Wow, Mr. Sam already joined. Thank you very much, Mr. Sam. Thank you very much. I'm very happy when I sit with you. And viewers, you can see they're eating. I love to nature. I love to give food nature. I mean, wild cat, wild birds, wild dogs, same like that. I give them food. I like them. I'm very happy when they are eating, when they are same like that.